Hello, Achieve. Happy Thursday. Today is Thursday, December 3rd, and we're going to continue talking about perseverance right after we finish our flag salute. So everybody please stand, salute, and pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, have a seat. So first I want to review some of the things that you've already talked about with perseverance. One of them is that when you're trying to learn hard things, sometimes you have to try a lot. Like, how many times did you have to try in order to learn how to ride a bike? Okay, that's just one hard thing that you may have already done. It also helps for you to tell yourself positive things, like just keep swimming, when you're trying to reach a goal and trying to persevere through things. Also, when you try and fail and then try again, your brain actually grows. That's how you learn, is by failing and trying again, and you make more connections in your brain so that you can learn more stuff. So those are some ideas for how you can persevere through things. And I have another idea that I want to talk about with you. Sometimes goals feel too big to reach, and you might give up because it just seems like such a big thing. Like, you might get frustrated that there's no way that I'm ever going to be able to do that. But there is an idea. I'm going to share my screen here. There is an idea that you can break your goal into small chunks. So perseverance is not necessarily a long race. It might be many short races, one after the other. So you can see this guy, he's gonna do this little race. Oops. He's gonna do this little race and then this little race, and he's just gonna keep going on each of these little steps until he reaches his final goal. So you can break your goals down into baby steps. And as long as you are still moving forward, you're going in the right direction. And that is perseverance. That's persevering towards your goal. So some of the things that you may have already learned and you had to break down into baby steps and keep trying might be learning to tie your shoes. That's a difficult task for us when we first learn how. And so some of the steps that you might have done is having your parents do it for you, or maybe you had your teacher do it for you. And after they've shown you a few times, then they might give you, some words to use to talk to yourself as you're doing it. Okay, I'm going to take the lace and I'm going to make it into 2 rabbit ears, and then I'm going to twist the rabbit ears around each other. So that's a step, and you just keep practicing and keep trying, and then eventually you'll be able to do it on your own. So what I want for you to do is talk to your friends about what are some of the things that you've already learned that you had to do step by step. You had to set small little steps in order to learn these different things. Okay, thanks, Achieve. Have a great day.